In Maharashtra, malls have been allowed to reopen from across the state today. Here's a report from Thane by Purva Chitnis.
Good news for Mumbaikars and all people of Maharashtra, because shopping malls will be open for public from today, that is 15th of August, till 10 p.m. But if you want to enter the shopping mall, you will have to show your certificate, the vaccination certificate, because you need to be doubly vaccinated. You need to be fully vaccinated before you actually enter a shopping mall, and there needs to be a gap of 14 days, a mandatory gap of 14 days before you actually enter the shopping mall. Right now we are at Thane's Viviana Mall. Now this is Thane's biggest mall, and you can see that people have started coming in, and before after showing the vaccination certificate, there are a lot of other COVID protocols that you need to follow, that is sanitizing your hands, and then people, after getting sanitized, people will be checked at the entrance, their certificates are checked. So there are various entry points at different malls where you will be checked, you will be scanned, you will be frisked, and only then, if you are doubly vaccinated, fully vaccinated, and there is a gap of 14 days between your second dose, only then you can enter the mall. So it is a good news for all those people who have been waiting to go into a shopping mall, and also for all those shopping mall owners who have been waiting and they have been demanding that shopping malls should be open for public, because there have been humongous losses because the malls were closed. However, in between, for some period, the malls were allowed to open depending on the levels where they were. The Maharashtra government had come up with different levels where shopping malls were allowed to open. In Mumbai, however, the shopping malls were not open since the pandemic. That is also now open, and you can see people started coming in. There is a little slow response at the point. However, for a lot of people it's a good news, also for Retail and Traders Association, also for the food and beverage industry, because all the restaurants which operate inside the mall can also remain open till 10 p.m. and that is what is allowed across Maharashtra from today, that is 15th of August. In Thane, with camera person Rajendra Dhayalkar, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV. From today onwards, that is 15th of August, Mumbai Suburban Railway network will be open for common public. Right now we are at Thane station. Now this is one of the busiest stations. The help desk has been set up by the Thane Municipal Corporation to check and verify the documents and issue passes to the people. You can see that number of people have started coming in and are taking their passes to travel. क्या कहेंगे, अभी ये ट्रेन शुरू हो रही है?
गवर्नमेंट ने अच्छा डिसीजन लिया है. एक्चुअली जो वैक्सीनेटेड, जो वैक्सीन जिनका हुआ है उनको जो दिया है, अप्रूव दिया है, वो अच्छा किया है, क्योंकि हम लोग की वजह से मेरा कस्टमर बहुत सफर हो रहा था.
Indeed, it's like I mean, thanks for helping it. Thank you.
So commuters are clearly happy. So what the government has done is that those who are fully vaccinated, those people can travel by train from 15th of August, and before traveling by train, you will have to also, there has to be a gap of 14 days, and only then you can travel by trains. Can now across the MMR region, the Mumbai metropolitan region, can take the local trains if they are fully vaccinated, and there is a gap of 14 days after their second dose. In Thane, with camera person Rajendra Dhayalkar, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.